In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the number format in Canva Sheets. So let's say you have a table that has prices as data, and you want to change that to currency format. So just select all the data that you want to be changed in format. And in this case, I'm gonna just select the whole column, and then go up to number format in the top bar. Click on the drop down and then select currency. So this should automatically add the $sign and the decimal places if you had decimal places in there. It will make sure it's only 2 decimal places as well. So you can also, if you want to select multiple things, just click on one and then shift select to select the rest. If you want to select multiple at once, just hold control and then select whatever you want. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.